If you love immersing yourself in different cultures, or just want to enjoy your favorite movies in a new language, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how to change the audio language of a movie on Disney+. So grab your snacks, and let's jump right in. Alright, let's get started. Open your Disney+ app or website. Once you're in, find the movie you want to watch. For this example, let's say we're diving into Captain America from 2014. So I'll search for it, and there it is. Click and play the movie. This is where the magic happens. Let's change the audio. Tap on subtitle icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, look for the audio section. It's usually found on the left side of the screen. Scrolling through the list of available languages will pop up. Here's the fun part. You'll see a variety of languages, from Spanish to Mandarin, and everything in between. Just click on your preferred language, and voila! I'm picking Spanish for Captain America because why not? It adds that authentic touch. Also on the right side you have a subtitle section, so if you want to stay focused and practice a language, you can choose desired one. Now that we've selected our audio, just hit play and let the magic begin. You're all set to enjoy Captain America like never before. And there you have it. Changing the audio language on Disney Plus is super easy and totally enhances your viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on streaming and entertainment. What movie are you going to try this on? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.